Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday. Mama has all of her puppies this morning. We're slowing down the rotation due to the fact everybody's getting big enough to kind of say, move over, this is the time I want to eat now. They're all strong, healthy puppies. We're very proud. One is upside down eating upside down. He says, I have a nipple and I'm not letting go. All right, everyone, 5 more weeks and you'll be here to pick out your puppy. Which is Saturday, October 1st. All right, everyone, have a nice day. Bye-bye.